Hello everyone. Today we will learn about figure color and others nature color like background and the water. So for this we will need yellow ochre, brown, dark olive green, yellow green. First apply yellow ochre on every figure, then apply brown and dark brown as shown in my video. Observe how I am applying color on them and also how many layers. Try to go in depth in details. Meanwhile, apply details on every basket. For their dresses, I have used blue and olive green. You can use any color as you want. Now apply yellow green on landscape area and go in depth with dark blue green. It's time to apply color on water portion. For this, apply water all over the blank area. I didn't show this in my video, but I have applied water first, then gradually apply olive green. First apply olive green lightly, then increase the color volume, especially under the board. In first layer you can use more water as you want, but from next layer careful about using water. Excessive water may replace your previous color, so careful about this. I am not going to talk a lot about this video because you know what technique I am going to apply and what already did. I already shown you lots of videos about color and how to apply and mixed color together, so I am not going to tell you in details in this video and in next videos. So just observe the video carefully and see what my process I am going through, and I think it will help you a lot. See you soon with my next part, and it will be the final part of this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.